I have shared some things with you that will go through. I am not here to let anybody. I'm not here to let anybody like it or anything like that. I don't need. Pastors will not be comfortable with my messages because my message is not pastoral. My assignment is not pastoral. It's more apostolic and prophetic. Anything else of them forget about it. People are talking about quieting, and I don't tell you a story about quieting and some of that. He prophesied about my parents when he was 8. He joined my father and my mother together in his power, in the nation. 1965 to 74. He said, this way we start, where we stop. This way we start, where we stop. And he told us one thing that day, and that's why I'm going to start off on that good 2338. After taking me around the choir in the church, I was in the choir, he took me around, and he came back, left me my seat, went back to the room. I said, 2 years ago, to say 1963, that God told me the last stage revival will be in Nigeria and will start in the Middle Belt. Mention some dams which I have been to. 2 of the dams I have here have been to other places. Out of 74 local governments in Nigeria, I've covered more than 400. So I know everything here. I know everything about the errors of this church. And God has given us some solutions. And that's why all the big grammars that we hear all over the place, glory be to God. Bible says, study yourself and prove of God is someone that will shade of his master. Rightly dividing the word of truth. It's good to speak grammar. Those who come from backgrounds like us, if you are born by a pastor or your grandchild or a bishop, you are fortunate. But if you come from where I came from, my sister was talking yesterday, that is when my spirit connected right. Thinking that I'm too old there, most of them are praying, and God will let that be smile and pray for me wherever she is. Like prophetess Princess Nicolette, of course, then because the composer and everything is involved. These are the kind of voices that want to be hearing. But when you are going and say, so somebody says, God said the Lord. Not this I saw. I thought not to come to pass. All these gambling is all well. Brethren, I want us to beat about God. Let us decide to heal the error of the church. Number 1 error is arrogance. And when you see a man that's arrogant, you see a man that's ignorant. If it's not me, it's not going to happen. Me, my eyes, the higher you go, the cooler you should go. The more you are up there, the more you are humble. There's one thing I cherish about Pastor Adara. I thought the person is a tall man. No matter how short you are, Adara will come to your level and bow. I don't know how many of you have known him like that. I've been in the camp for 37 years. January this year, 37 years I entered that camp. God told me, you need to help me be a pastor. Don't join the background of pastor. They are missionaries. You raise missionaries that are being frustrated, that will be frustrated, will be marginalized, raise them and send them to the mission fields. In the thinking of man, I told them that I need to relate to the pastors. For 11 years, I was frustrated very thoroughly by the pastors until I started to do it the way God wanted me to do it. Look, gentlemen and ladies, until you do the assignment of God the way He wants you to do, you still struggle, even as a prophet, as an apostle, you still struggle for food, you still struggle for this, you still struggle for that, because you are doing the work of God your own way. But I want to do it my way. 5 degrees, 5 universities, I think I am not supposed to do it. I will not be so standard, no. I was not trained in agriculture, but I was born into it, and I grew up for 22 years of my life. I was in the farm industry, raised by the church. And we have one kind of insulting language, which I will take it from you people. All of you are very good in grammar. And God will let you be able to hear from a bushman and turn the grammar of a bushman to a technology for you to get back to where you come from. SAS and NAS is an abomination for a child of God, a son in this country, to believe that there is no money. It's an error of the highest order, even from the mouth of Christians. And people will be and will say every demon that is for supervising